Went through thousands of channels with TubeLab and found something wild. Basic slideshows making at least $20,000 a month while creators barely lift a finger. I'm ranking these gold mines based on how easy they are to create, how few people have caught on, and how much cash they're stacking right now before everyone rushes in. Number 10, Rubber Duck Destroyer. This channel made $5,000 to $15,000 in 2 months, crushing dollar store toys with their car. It's like ASMR, but for your eyes. Every crunch is another view, and every view is money in the bank. So what's the verdict? A solid C tier, but hey, still beats your retail job. Number 9, Cosmic Horror Sound Factory. This channel pulled $2,000 to $4,000 in 4 months uploading creepy sounds from space. Someone's making rent money by adding effects to random audio and claiming it's from black holes and distant planets. No verification needed. Nobody's launching a rocket to check if those eerie tones actually came from Neptune. Adding it all up, it's a C tier. Number 8, Crash Simulation Machine. This channel stacked $100,000 to $150,000 recreating real crashes in a $20 game. Seriously, while you're stressing out about student loans, someone bought a house playing video games for 1 hour a day. People watch these like true crime content, but for gaming nerds. When we do the math, we're looking at a solid B tier material right here. Number 7, Athlete's Final Moments Collector. This channel made $3,000 to $6,000 in 2 months, showing players' last memorable moments. They're paying bills by making sports fans rewatch the same clips 50 times.
Game, watching the game, can't look up from the game.
I found a player's last goal, assist, or dunk is algorithm gold because fans will watch anything with their idol in the title. The genius part? Every player has countless last moments. Last goal in a derby, last assist in a final, last whatever against whoever. Put it all together and you've got a B-tier potential right there. Finally, a way to make your useless sports knowledge actually pay your rent. Number 6, Nostalgic Photo Slideshow. This channel made $2,000 in 1 month with slideshows of vintage photos. That's a month's rent for showing pictures other people took decades ago. Nostalgia is literally digital crack. For older viewers, these aren't just pictures, they're emotional time machines. The comments fill up with take me back energy, and meanwhile, the creator is counting cash for adding stock music to free photos.
I like money.
So what's the final score? We're looking at a B tier. I went through thousands of channels, and I'm sharing these hidden gems for free. Maybe subscribe? Back to the niches. Number 5, HOA's Revenge Stories. This channel's pulling $10,000 to $20,000 monthly with AI-generated stories about homeowners getting revenge on their HOAs. The genius? Every homeowner fantasizes about telling off their HOA. These videos aren't entertainment, they're therapy. Viewers live by proxy through these revenge stories while the creator literally funds their life with AI-generated content. The American dream is now watching Karen from the HOA get what she deserves. Tally it up, and what do we get? A solid A-tier money right there. Number 4, Immigration Guide Hero. This channel hit 1 million views in 1 month explaining visa rules. While travel influencers are going broke for Instagram pics, this person's getting rich explaining boring paperwork. The secret? Fear is the ultimate motivator. These viewers aren't casually watching, they're desperately trying to avoid getting deported. Add it all up and you're sitting on a solid A-tier material. Absolutely wild that the most boring niche imaginable is actually printing money while exciting channels struggle to pay for ramen. Number 3, Senior Health Advisor. This channel made $3,000 to $5,000 in 3 weeks with AI-generated health slideshows for seniors. Seniors care more about health than anyone, and they watch entire ads without skipping. When they find content they understand, they subscribe faster than Gen Z follows a new dance trend. Plus, they share videos through Facebook and email. Free promo from the generation with actual money to spend. When we crunch the numbers, we get a high A-tier territory. Just stick to the general wellness tips and leave the actual medical advice to doctors unless you want lawsuits eating your new income. Number 2, Text Chess Analysis. This channel blew up analyzing DMs like a chess game. The videos could literally be made in 5 minutes. The genius? Everyone loves watching relationship drama, but framing it as chess moves makes viewers feel smart instead of gossipy. Each message becomes a strategic play in the dating and relationships game people can't look away from. While you're struggling to come up with original content ideas, this channel is reacting to literal text messages without any creativity. When we add it up, that's high A tier pushing into S tier territory. Number 1. Americans Are Dumb Screenshot Factory. This channel made $5,000 to $10,000 in 1 month showing screenshots of Americans saying ridiculous things online. That's paying someone's rent and car for less work than making a TikTok. The psychology? Our monkey brains love feeling smarter than others. Viewers aren't just laughing, they're feeding their ego by thinking, at least I'm not that dumb. It's Reddit screenshots with commentary, but it's bankrolling someone's entire life while you're trying to go viral with dance moves. And the final score? A mind-blowing S tier. Might as well delete your Indeed account right now because this is the easiest money you'll ever make. 6 months from now, you'll either be cashing YouTube checks or watching someone else profit from these exact niches. Remix these formats for your own vibe, swap Americans for Brits, crosswords for Sudoku, HOAs for whatever local thing people hate in your country. Don't just copy, steal like an artist. The people making serious bank aren't cloning channels, they're leveling them up. The algorithm rewards first movers, not some dayers. Every day you wait, these gold mines get more crowded. 2 simple steps separate you from actual YouTube money. Step 1, subscribe to my newsletter for weekly untapped niches. Step 2, get TubeLab, the exact tool I used to discover every channel in this video. Links in the description. Your future self is either thanking you or cursing you for what you do next.